The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration on Earth. Every single year, this small seabird flies from the Arctic all the way to Antarctica and back again, covering up to 70,000 kilometers. Despite weighing less than a smartphone, Arctic terns chase endless summer by traveling between the planet's coldest regions. Over a lifetime, one Arctic tern can fly the equivalent distance from Earth to the Moon and back. It's a breathtaking reminder that even the smallest creatures can achieve the most extraordinary journeys.